What's going on, everyone? I hope you guys are all having an amazing, Sunday. Right now I'm heading over to Adams because we're gonna detail my mom's car. She's out of town, so is my dad, so it's just something a little nice that I'm gonna do for them when they get back, since this is the car that my mom drives most of the time. It's gonna be just a basic detail, and I'll probably show a little bit of video in and out of what we're doing. But yeah, I just thought it's something nice, and it's actually a pretty nice day out today. Stay tuned, guys. Say hi, Adam.
Hi. Yo.
We're here. We're gonna start cleaning the car. And Adam bought black wheels, but it doesn't fit. He bought hubcaps for these.
Failed.
But it doesn't fit.
Failed.
So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of what we do. Like I said, it's gonna be like a basic clean, and we'll just like take you guys a little step along the way. Okay, so what we started doing is we're just washing off the wheels right now. So that's what it looks like when it's just done. Yo, it actually works really good on this car.
McGuire's.
And
We love your
this
stuff,
is what
man.
it was before. So I don't know if the camera can tell, but like that's all like dirt and everything like that. So we're doing the wheels right now, and then we'll just rinse the car off, and that's when we'll hit it with the foam cannon, which is right here. And the product that we're using is Adams Polish, not a sponsor. But yeah, I'll set you guys up on a mount over there, and then you guys can see the whole process, and we'll probably time lapse it. And we'll just go over what we did after the fact. So we just sprayed the car down with the foam cannon. You guys can see it's all moist and wet. All spongy. But yeah, now we're gonna go it over. We're gonna use 2 buckets. We have the other bucket somewhere right here. So we're gonna go it over, clean it up, get the wheels once again, and then rinse it off. And so I'm gonna put you guys back down and you guys can see again. Just got done doing the final rinse for the car, and it already looks really nice. The wheels look way better. It looks really good. So right now we're gonna dry it off, and then we're gonna do a little bit of a polish on it, and then that's basically it. We're gonna do the interior too, right? Yeah, so we'll do the interior too, and then that's it. Like I said, it's a basic wash. It's nothing crazy. We'll do like intense detailing later in the channel. But yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so just got done wiping off the car. Looks really nice. What I use is this. It's chemical, guys. Synthetic quick detailer. I just sprayed it on there while it was wet, and I just wiped it off with a regular microfiber. And now we're doing the interior, the mats. And I'm gonna, while Adam do the mats and the interior, I'm actually gonna put some, where is it? The Rain-X. We used this Rain-X for the glass because it repels water. Like when you go through rain and stuff, it just like goes right off. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I'll give you guys another update when we're near almost done.
For the interior, we'll be using Adam's Polish interior detail. Hopefully you can see that. This thing works great. All you have to do is just spray it on, put on the microfiber, and then just get to clean inside your interior. Works great. So I'll show you all the results.
Okay guys, just finished cleaning the glass. Adam's doing the interior.
Look at that. That's just...
That was orange. That was just straight orange like a few seconds ago. But the glass looks, look at that. It wouldn't even focus because it's so clean. We're gonna do the interior right now, and then once we're done with that, I think that's gonna call it.
We're gonna use some Rain-X for interior, kind of like for the glass. This stuff is pretty good, pretty legit. Make sure you have 2 towels though, because if you don't, you're gonna leave streaks behind. So 2 towels.
Okay, final update. This time we're actually done. We just need to put these mats in the car, but it's pretty much
You gotta let them know what's on it though.
all clean. Well, hold on.
Can't just
Hold on, I'm getting there. So like these like faded up plastic like this here, we actually use this. What is it called? 303.
303 aerospace protective.
What he
303
said.
aerospace protective.
What he said. And that's, I use a lot of products on my stuff, and this is actually the only thing that I know that works. We're not sponsored by any of these companies, so if you guys want to sponsor us, you know, go ahead. But yeah,
But they work really great. I mean, as you can tell, like if you have faded plastic, it works really good. So I would definitely consider looking into it.
Yeah, and what did we use on the carpets?
Oh, the
Because
carpets,
you
yeah.
did that.
So it's a dilute. It's called Carpro Pearl. I forgot what I diluted it to, but it'll tell you on the side. So you want to get like a bottle, and you want to like mix it half water and the proper dilution. So you, once these are done, it'll give them a matte-free finish. Actually, I'll show you what it'll look like because this is okay though. Like
So
just clean. I mean, I still have it's just dusty, but it gives you that type of finish.
basically, it makes it look like you have a
Right.
ton of grease on your car.
And
But
that's-
good grease.
That's how you want to put
Yeah.
it.
But yeah, it makes it look like it's brand new again. So we just got to do that, put it in the car, and then we'll put some tire shine and call it a day. And are we doing anything after? Cause I was gonna return one of my packages, but I think they're already closed, so I don't think I'll be able to do that. So
I
yeah,
don't know. We'll figure out what we're gonna do next.
yeah, we'll probably go out to eat a little bit, cause it's the last day since we start the gym back tomorrow, and we're gonna be going on a strict diet. We'll see how long that'll last.
Won't
But
last long when it's David.
positivity. But yeah, we'll probably go get something to eat and then head home and edit this video. Yeah, I don't know if it'll go out today, but I'll try. It is Sunday, by the way. So yeah, and we are done. I think that's like my fourth time saying that. But yeah, this is final product. As you can see, there's still a lot of imperfections on the paint and the car. But like I said, we just did like a basic clean. We'll do like a more detailed clean in, and that'll be a separate video. And we'll have it on one of our cars or whenever we have more time. But let me show you guys the interior. Here you guys go. That's the interior. Look at those mats. I mean, they actually look dirty, but they're pretty clean. Trust me. But yeah. Right now we're gonna head off, get some food probably, and then go and edit this video. Remember, if you guys like it, do comment, subscribe, and like, and let us know what we can do better and what we should do next. Have to say anything?
Nah, thanks for watching, y'all.
Deuces.